Imagine walking down a busy street in a foreign country. You look at a menu in a language you don't speak, and instantly the translation appears right before your eyes. You see a historic monument, and a voice in your ear tells you its entire history. You're about to buy a coffee, and you pay with just a glance. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the reality of the brand new Xiaomi Smart AI Glasses. Today on Tap Tech, we are diving deep into the wearable that is officially putting big tech on notice. This isn't just another gadget. It's a massive shift in how we interact with the world. Stay with us until the end, because we're comparing these to the Meta Ray-Bans. And the results might actually convince you to switch brands. For years, we've been waiting for the iPhone moment of smart glasses, that perfect balance of style, battery, and actual intelligence. Many have tried and failed, leaving us with bulky frames or batteries that die before lunch. But Xiaomi just dropped a bombshell. Their new AI glasses weigh only 40 grams. To put that in perspective, that's almost the same weight as a standard pair of high-end aviators. They've achieved this using a frame made of TR90 nylon and aviation-grade titanium alloy hinges. When you put them on, you don't feel like a cyborg. You just look like someone with a great sense of style. But the real magic is hidden behind the lenses. Xiaomi has integrated a 12-megapixel Sony IMX681 sensor. While most smart glasses struggle with grainy footage, these capture crisp 2K video at 30 frames per second. But here's the kicker for all you content creators. While the competition often limits you to short bursts of recording, Xiaomi allows for up to 45 minutes of continuous video capture. Whether you're hiking, cooking, or vlogging your daily commute, you finally have a true first-person perspective, without the constant storage full or overheating alerts. Now, let's talk about the AI in AI glasses, because this is where Xiaomi is truly flexing. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 platform and a dedicated secondary processor, these glasses run on Xiaomi's Vela OS. This dual-chip architecture is the secret sauce. It allows the glasses to handle heavy lifting, like real-time object recognition and translation, while keeping the power consumption incredibly low. Imagine you're a traveler. With the built-in Super Xiao AI assistant, you can point your eyes at a sign in 10 different languages, including English, Japanese, and Korean, and get an instant translation. But it goes further. See a dish at a restaurant. The AI can estimate the calories, see a product in a store. It can find it online for you. It even supports QR code payments. In a world where we are constantly fumbling for our phones, these glasses are designed to keep your hands in your pockets and your eyes on the world. One of the biggest complaints with smart wearables has always been privacy and sound leakage. No one wants the person next to them on the bus hearing their private phone call. Xiaomi solved this with a sophisticated reverse sound field system. By using dual symmetrical speakers and an inverted sound wave algorithm, the audio is directed straight into your ear canal while canceling out the sound waves that would normally leak outward. Plus, with a 5-microphone array, including a specialized bone conduction near the nose pad, your voice stays crystal clear even if you're cycling at 12 meters per second in heavy wind. But here's the feature that blew my mind. The electrochromic lenses. This is premium tech usually reserved for luxury car sunroofs or Boeing 787 windows. With a simple double tap on the temple, you can change the tint of your glasses in just 0.2 seconds. You can go from clear indoor glasses to dark outdoor sunglasses instantly, with 4 different levels of light transmittance. No more carrying 2 pairs of glasses or waiting for transition lenses to slowly fade. It's instantaneous, and it feels like magic. I know what you're thinking. All this tech must mean the battery lasts about an hour. Wrong. This is where Xiaomi has officially beaten Meta and every other competitor in the space. The 263 mAh high-density silicon carbon battery delivers over 8.5 hours of continuous use. That is more than double the battery life of the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. And when you do run low, you don't need a bulky proprietary charging case. There's a discrete USB-C port built right into the temple. You can plug them into a power bank and keep recording or live streaming while they charge. A full charge takes only 45 minutes, so let's address the elephant in the room. How do these stack up against the reigning king, the Ray-Ban Meta? In terms of weight, Xiaomi wins at 40 grams versus Meta's 50. In terms of battery, Xiaomi wins by a landslide 8.5 hours versus 4 hours. In terms of video, Xiaomi offers 2K continuous recording, whereas Meta is optimized for short social media clips. However, there is a catch. Currently, the most advanced AI features and the Xiao AI assistant are heavily optimized for the Chinese market. For the global audience in the US and Europe, we are looking at a slightly different software experience as Xiaomi scales its HyperOS ecosystem globally. The build quality is also worth noting. These aren't fragile toys. Titanium hinges are rated for over 18,000 open and close cycles. The entire unit is IP5 for dust and water resistant. Whether it's a sudden rain shower or a sweaty workout, these glasses are built to survive the real world. The price? This is the most shocking part. Starting at approximately $284, the standard model, and going up to $420 for the top-tier color electrochromic version, Xiaomi is positioning these as an accessible entry point into the future. They are proving that you don't need to spend $1,000 to have a heads-up life as we wrap up today's deep dive. It's clear that the Xiaomi Smart AI Glasses are a glimpse into a future where the smartphone stays in our pocket. They are stylish, they are powerful, and for the first time, they have a battery that actually lasts a full workday. The question isn't if smart glasses will replace phones, but when. And looking at these, that one feels a lot closer than it did yesterday. Thank you for watching this deep dive on TapTech. We put a lot of work into bringing you the most authentic, up-to-the-minute tech news from around the globe. If you found this breakdown helpful, do us a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep the lights on and the tech coming. Also, I want to hear from you in the comments. Would you trade your Ray-Bans for these Xiaomi glasses just for that extra battery life and the instant tint change? Let's start a conversation down below. We've got some even bigger reveals coming next week involving the next generation of wearable displays, so make sure your notifications are turned on. I'm your host from TapTech, and I'll see you in the next one.